What's up guys, welcome back to Ride the Bean. In this episode I thought it was just like a little bonus thing because you may have noticed on my helmet I have this Pro Shot mount. This is what my camera has been mounted to for the last season and a half. But what really annoys me with it is the camera keeps spinning and the footage then becomes like crooked without me really realizing it. You probably have seen that in some of the clips. But other than that, I think the Pro Shot is really nice. It's a bit bulky, but very easy. You just stick it on and it stays in the middle. But now I've actually gotten a new mount. I was recommended the chin mount as a new thing, 3D printed device to put on the front of the helmets. The cool thing about this is that they print a unique one for each type of helmet. So this is the one specific for the LS2 Explorer. So let's see if it does the job. I'm about to head out on a little tour now, so I hope that this works. It's perfect time to check it out. So let's first just get this thing off. And as you can see, I've been mounting it on and on and off, on and on and off. I've been mounting it multiple times with adhesive and everything because the tape keeps loosening. And so now let's just take this whole thing off. Ugh, this is ugly. Gross. There. I think in here there's supposed to be like a alcohol wipe to wipe down some dirt and stuff that's on the helmet. And then this is what it looks like. Chin mounts with adhesive on the inside. And it's supposed to go, I think, right here. So let's see if it works. Okay, so let's see if this has a wipe in it. Here you go. This helmet is pretty dirty after traveling in the bush for a year. Hopefully this works. Oh yeah. Pretty dirty. That should be enough, shouldn't it? Just wait for that to dry. And then try to stick this on. Was it this way or no, this way? Like that? Where exactly should it go? Up or down? It's far down there, I think. Let's take the adhesive stickers off. I mean. And then, wow, it's really sticky. Okay, gotta hit exactly here. There. And then just apply pressure for like a minute or so. And then it should be good. Eh, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Looks a lot less bulky than this whole thing. But now I'm curious, do I have mounts for this? Now, so let's hope that this actually fits and see if this works. I think it's slightly too short for the standard GoPro thing because this rubber thing doesn't really go in. Ah, okay. And then like this. Yeah, actually looks pretty good. Yeah, And let's hope this just stays on and doesn't fall off. Yeah. Hopefully this works. Let's see. I hope the angle is good. Let's see if I put the helmet on. Maybe it's I should have had an extender on it probably, because it's I'm not sure the angle is the best, but it works. Oh, well, if you want to see how this footage looks, then check out this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and ring the bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Now it's time to go camping. But it's definitely worth coming here. This is such a fun road to ride. So many curves.